Before starting the video, subscribe to our channel and also press the bell icon. Allah has created Pharaoh's dead body as a warning to others for the world as punishment, so that the next generation learn something from them. And there are many secrets related to the dead body of Pharaoh that Allah has given in the Quran as a sign, and science also consider those signs today. This is the Pharaoh that Allah has killed him by drowning water. At the time the king was called Pharaoh, that is, whoever became the king was called Pharaoh. According to Dr. Morris' investigation, the name of the person who tortured the Bani Israel is Ramses Dom. The dead body of Pharaoh was recovered in 1898. Everyone was eager to know about this dead body, that after thousands of years why this dead body safe. Dead body began to deteriorate in 1981. At that time, the government of Egypt said the government of France should be saved from spoiling this dead body, and through science, the real reason for its death should also be known. Dr. Morris was the greatest doctor of France, and his religion was Christian. He started researching on this dead body, and after researching for a long time, Dr. Morris concluded that this dead body was his death due to drowning in the water. Because Dr. Morris found sea salt particle from this dead body in his research, but it was still a puzzle in front of Dr. Morris, which was yet to be solved. Why this dead body is safe even after thousands of years? What is its reason? Then he came to know through his partner that Muslims are saying that this person had drowned in the water without any investigation report, and this dead body belongs to that Pharaoh who had wanted to murder to the Prophet of Allah Hazrat Musa and his followers. The dead body of Pharaoh is always safe, and mention of his death by drowning in the sea was told 14 years ago in his holy book Quran. Dr. Morris was very surprised to hear that the thing I discovered through big machines. How did the Muslim already know that thing? However, it has been a long time since the death of the Pharaoh, which was found out 83 years ago. So how was this thing written in his holy Quran 14 years ago? The location of the dead body based on the Bible, and due to the age of about 3000 years of dead body based on the science test, Dr. Morris was convinced that this dead body belongs to the Pharaoh. But for more information, Dr. Morris read the Bible, but Dr. Morris found only in Bible that the Pharaoh and its army drowned in the sea, and all were died drowning in the sea. But there was no mention of the dead body of Pharaoh. Now many questions were coming to Dr. Morris's mind. Now he went to Saudi Arabia to get answers to all these questions. And Dr. Morris reached a meeting in Saudi Arabia when he told about the dead body of Pharaoh. At the same time, listening to Dr. Morris's words, a Muslim doctor opened the Quran and read the verse number 92 of Surah Yunus, in which Allah says, "Therefore we will preserve your body, so that you become a token for those after you." Of course, many peoples are careless towards our sign. This verse had such an impact on Dr. Morris that at the same time he stood up and announced, "The Quran is true, and there is no doubt that it is the practice of Allah, and I accept Islam." After this, Morris wrote many books on the Quran and the miracle of science, and he became famous with these books all over the world. If you like our video, then share the video as much as possible. I see you in the next video.